Hello everyone. This video will explain the process of converting a binary code to its equivalent gray code. So consider a 4-bit binary code with bits B0, B1, B2 and B3. The output gray code will have a 4-bit with G0, G1, G2 and G3. So here B0 and G0 are the LSB and B3 and G3 are the MSB. Okay, which is LSB means least significant bit and MSB means most significant bit. Consider this example. We need to convert each bit to its equivalent gray code. So for the MSB bit, G3 will be exactly the same as the B3. So it is 1 here, right? For the next bit G2, an exclusive OR operation has to be performed with the bits B3 and B2. So the B2 is 0 and B3 is 1. The exclusive OR operation has to be done with these two bits, and we can have a reference of exclusive or truth table here. So it will be 1 if you do for the bits 1 and 0. So the resultant G2 bit will have a value of 1. For the next bit G1, the operation or the exclusive OR operation has to be performed with the bits B2 and B1. So it is 1 and 0. So it will have a result of 1. So the same is the case for n number of bits, but here we have 4 bits. So the final LSB bit will have the same operation, which is the exclusive OR between B0 and B0, B0 and B1. So it will be like this. So the value is 0. So the gray code for the binary code 1011 is 1110. Thank you.